Welcome. If you've been trying to add a new status to your story on Snapchat and want to make sure you're doing it right, you're in the perfect place. In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly how to post a story update that your friends can see instantly. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main camera screen. This is where all the fun begins. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This little circle usually shows your Bitmoji or your latest selfie, and it takes you straight to your profile page. Now, look for the section that says, Add to my story. Go ahead and tap it. This is where you can start creating your story update. Snapchat gives you a few creative tools here, so if you want to snap a new picture or record a short video, now's your chance. You can also add stickers, text, filters, or even draw on your snap to make it stand out. Once you've made your image or video just the way you like, it's time to choose which story you want to add it to. Tap on My Story. This is your personal story visible to all your friends, but you can also customize who can see it in your privacy settings, if you prefer a smaller audience. After tapping My Story, Snapchat will quickly upload your snap and confirm that it's been added. Your new status is now live. Anyone who follows you can watch it for the next 24 hours before it disappears. And that's it. You've successfully added a status to your Snapchat story. It's an easy way to share what you're up to, express yourself, or just stay connected with friends. If you found this helpful, keep exploring Snapchat's tools. You'll be surprised how many ways there are to personalize your stories and make them uniquely yours.